Question 13. How many more complete revolutions will a wheel with a circumference of 3 feet make than a wheel with a circumference of 4 feet in travelling 1 mile? Key bit of information that you need from this is that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So we have 2 wheels. The circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of the wheel. So if I was to take this point here, the circumference would be the distance I measured all the way round. So if I took this point here and put it here, and then wrapped a piece of string around, I would have from here all the way around to here, I would have a piece of string that is a length. This is a length. And I have 2 wheels, one that has a 3 foot length, and one that has a 4 foot length. And I need to find how many times 3 feet, how many revolutions are there with the 3 feet circumference, and how many revolutions are there with the 4 feet circumference. So what I'm going to do is some divisions. I'm going to do 5,280, that's my mile in feet, divided by 3. And I'm going to do 5,280 divided by 4. If you can now do that, go back to the question, have a go and see if you complete it. You need to do this, and then there is another step. So remember to do that final step. Well done if you got to there. The final step, what is it? We've got to find the difference. We've got to find the number of complete revolutions and the difference between them. So for the 3 foot wheel, it makes 1,760 revolutions. The 4 foot wheel takes less, as you can imagine, 1,320. And then I need to subtract those 2 numbers. Am I right? Yep. So the difference is 440 revolutions. I quite liked that one.